Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into, the history of the iPhone. It's hard to believe that this revolutionary device has been around for over a decade. So, let's take a trip down memory lane and explore the incredible journey of the iPhone. Our story begins in January 2007 when Steve Jobs took the stage at Macworld Expo. Little did the world know that he was about to unveil a game-changing device. There it was, the original iPhone, a combination of an iPod, a phone, and an internet communicator. It marked the birth of a new era in technology and set the standard for smartphones to come. With the release of the iPhone 3G in 2008, Apple introduced the App Store, changing the way we use smartphones forever. The iPhone 4, in 2010, brought us the stunning Retina display and a sleek, glass-backed design. The iPhone 6 in 2014 marked a significant shift in design with larger screens, and in 2017, the iPhone 10 introduced us to Face ID and a near bezel-less OLED display. But it's not just about hardware. iOS, Apple's mobile operating system, has seen dramatic improvements over the years. From the early days of iOS 1.0 to the more recent iOS 15, Apple has consistently refined its software, adding features and improving performance. And let's not forget the App Store, which has grown to host millions of apps, changing the way we work, play, and communicate. The iPhone's impact extends far beyond its hardware and software. It has disrupted entire industries. The iPhone, with its powerful camera, transformed photography and made everyone a potential photographer. It also revolutionized the gaming industry, making high-quality games accessible to millions. The iPhone has become a cultural phenomenon. It's not just a tool. It's a status symbol, a fashion accessory, and a source of inspiration for countless artists, designers, and developers. It's played a pivotal role in shaping social media, changing the way we connect and share our lives. As we fast forward to today, the iPhone continues to evolve with each new iteration. So, there you have it, the incredible journey of the iPhone. From its humble beginnings in 2007 to its current status as a global icon, it's a testament to human innovation and the power of technology to change the world. If you enjoyed this trip through iPhone history, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting tech content. And as always, let us know in the comments which iPhone model was your favorite and what you'd like to see from Apple in the future. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now. Subscribe my channel.